How to create blockchain wallet account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without further ado, let's get right into the topic. Open up your Chrome browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.blockchain.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to create yourself a blockchain wallet, go ahead and click on to sign up on your top right. At this page, enter your email address, your password, and reconfirm your password. Enter your country of residence, and if you have any referral code, you can enter it right at this box. Check this box and click on continue. Once you do so, you will receive an email that you just entered for a verification. Now open that email for a couple bit till your email gets verified. And just like so, you will land onto your own account of blockchain wallet. Now after you are logged in to your account, let's set up the security for a blockchain wallet. Go on to security on your top right. As we have already verified our email, the box says checked. Now let's go on to two-step verification. Expand that option and choose the method from which you would like to verify. You can also go ahead and click on to phone number on the third option. Enter your phone number and click on verify. Now on the last option, let's set our 12-digit security phrase. You can use this phrase when you have forgotten your password. Set this phrase and that will make you easier to get logged in next time. So that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and this is how you create a blockchain account and set it up.